Hello, everybody. This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. So I need you guys to check something out. One of the things that I cover is in my videos is the fact that you need to know how to scalp and be able to kill it as well. Because when you're catching the low of the day and the high of the day, one of the things is you need to understand the motion, the movement in the market, the driving factors, the moving factors like that. So one of the things I cover as well is how to scalp, and it's in the morning. I don't know what this is. It's in the morning, and I'm already sitting at 1094 in the morning. Almost this was almost like 2000. Like, but profit is profit, guys. So do check out our website. Do check out everything. Share, subscribe, share with your friends, and all that stuff. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.